Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing this headline: AI takes over 10 million jobs overnight. Your heart skips a beat. You scroll through the news. People are panicking, businesses are automating, and AI is replacing workers at an alarming rate. You pause and ask yourself, is my job safe or am I next? Meet James, a 29-year-old graphic designer. For years, he's built a strong reputation, working with clients worldwide. But one day, a loyal client tells him, "James, I found an AI tool that creates logos in seconds, and it's way cheaper." Just like that, a huge chunk of his income disappears. James is shocked. How can a machine replace my creativity, he wonders. But instead of giving up, he decides to explore. James tries the AI tool himself and is amazed. It generates stunning designs in seconds. But something feels off. The designs, though fast, lack originality, emotion, and the personal touch that makes his work unique. That's when James has a realization. Instead of competing against AI, why not use it to his advantage? He starts integrating AI into his work, automating repetitive tasks, generating ideas, and speeding up his workflow. But the final creative decisions, those are all his. Soon he rebrands himself as an AI-enhanced designer, combining AI efficiency with human creativity. Clients love the faster delivery and unique artistic touch, and James ends up making more money than ever before. So can AI really replace jobs? The truth is, some jobs will disappear, but new opportunities will emerge.
AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to eliminate boring, repetitive work. The ones who adapt and learn to work with AI will be the ones who thrive in this new era.
Now here's the real question. Will AI take your job, or will you take control and use AI to your advantage? Let me know in the comments. What do you think?